Squeaky brakes. What's that noise? It's freaking me out. It's scary, Russ. My brakes are making squealing sounds and I don't like it. I don't know what to do. Is my car not gonna stop? Help! All right, I know is this over dramatizing. This has been a thing lately. So last couple of weeks, I've done 3 test drives where people were alarmed, like my brakes are squeaking. And I wanted to do a video on is it safe, right? First of all, if your brakes are squeaking, it's somewhat normal, especially here in the Pacific Northwest. It rains a lot, and sometimes moisture has a lot to do with that. You park outside, and especially during COVID time, as I'm wearing my mask / bandana here, people aren't driving as much, right? And so sometimes you get a little rust will accumulate on your brake rotors, and that can cause some noise. The main reason brakes squeak or squeal a lot is you need new brake pads, all right? When you get low, a lot of brakes, I just did brakes on the G6 here recently. And so I'll show you this. See this little tab right here? And how it's kind of shiny? If I can get a good trajectory on it. It's shiny right there. And the reason why is, you see the thickness of the pad? Yeah, it's down there. So this little thing is designed to let you know that your brake pad is wearing thin, all right? Now, if it wears all the way down, you're gonna have metal to metal, which is gonna cost you more, and your rotors, your brake job's gonna probably cost more, all right? So you wanna take care of it. If you feel or hear a consistent squeaking, yeah, take care of that right away, all right? But all 3 instances in the last few weeks, it's been people who, right, they just don't know that brakes sometimes squeak, this can be the quality of pad that you use. So you go get a brake job and, you're going to use the cheapest pads available. Odds are those are going to squeak, If you do what's called a pad slap, where you don't change your rotor, you don't finish your rotor, in other words, have it lathed down, and you just slap the pads on, those are almost always going to squeak, all right? It's cheaper, right? It's a cheaper way to go if you need your brakes done and you're on a budget, but, you're almost guaranteed on a pad slap that you're going to have a little bit of brake noise. Depending on the pads you use, too. A lot of pads today, ceramic pads, after a while they can glaze over and start squeaking and making noise. Again, depending on the quality of the pad. We don't, asbestos, Ray Bestos is a brand of brakes, and asbestos is not good for people, all right? Not good for us mechanics. There's huge lawsuits and settlements paid to people who got, mesothelioma, or it's basically this dust is like tiny rocks getting lungs, and it's not good for people. So they don't make brakes out of that stuff as much anymore. And now we have, different ways of dealing with carbon or ceramic, and some of those can make noise. The best way to tell if you're safe or not, all right? Now, even if you use up all your pad and your brakes start grinding, when you hear your brakes grinding, that's when you stop, you park your car, and you don't drive it anymore, all right? And even in that scenario, your car is still gonna stop, odds are, unless your caliper gets really hot and seizes up. There's all sorts of things that can happen. But I've never seen someone, have a car that didn't, if your brake rotor comes loose, there's a video that I did, I'll put it in the end screen, where that guy was real close to not having brakes because his rotor was so far worn, because he'd been driving the grinding sound for God knows how long. That can be dangerous. But again, the best way to tell is to get a little flashlight in there. These are the wheels on my G6, and they're pretty easy. I just replaced these brakes and the rotors. You can see how thick that pad is. that pad right there. Zoom in on that. That's a thick pad. Some of these are a little harder to see. You got to get the right trajectory in there. I'm using my camera instead of my eyeballs. You can kind of see this is a pen light. You should invest in one of these. I got this at Harbor Freight and it's rechargeable. Pen light helps you put the light right where you need it. Like that. You can see the brake pad. See that? I got some room in there. So yeah, with a lot of these rims today, you can see your brake pads and you can see how thick they are. And as long as you got some good pad in there, you just have some noise. And there are some other videos that you can watch to alleviate that. Now, I did see a video where somebody used brake cleaner. You don't want to clean your brakes. Like, you don't want to spray your pads down with brake cleaner. All right, that's going to take all the lubrication out of your pad. Your pads need to slide in and out. Like, when you hit the brakes, they're clamping down, and then when you let off, they go like that. So they move in and out. And if you spray all, so there's a little lubrication in your pads, right? And I've seen people say, "Oh yeah, just use brake cleaner and clean your brakes," just spraying it from the outside. I'm like, no, don't do that, because all the lubrication in that pad that's going, those pads grabbing your rotor, moving in and out, you're gonna clean all that off. You need that stuff, all right? So don't do that. Keep your brakes, lubricated. So hopefully this helped, and till next time, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up me. Helps a lot. Appreciate you guys. To subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around.